Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today po, mag-hike tayo sa Awasan Falls.
Hey guys, today we're here at Starbucks. We're just preparing kasi mamaya we're going to Ilocos. And we're gonna go to Awasan Falls. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. With friend. There's a friend. Where we are na, Pat? Wow. Ito po nitong itlog, then isa po ng Hungarian.
May flash pala.
Thank you, pa. Ay! Hi guys! We're starting our hike na already. And I'm sorry kasi hindi ako gano'n nakapag-update kasi hindi ko malabas yung camera ko. Kasi super, tawag dito, super nakakatakot yung dinaanan namin. Like, pataas, pababa. Anyway, look at the view.
Careful.
So, dito na kami sa bandang baba. Serving face as always. And we're just gonna go there. Ngayon si Pat, our friend. Actually, nadulas. I'm gonna go first. Careful. Nice one. Say hi to my vlog.
And don't it feel good?
Ano ang galing? Nandito na kami guys. Can you imagine? From there. Baba kami hanggang dito.
Tatas kayo ulit!
Why is this on already?
Oo, pero mena. Wala pa pala. Malayo yung batan. Oy, hindi kayo dito tumama.
We're here na guys sa pinaka...
Ay, affiliate! Bye! Shopee! Bye! Chill!
We're here na sa mismong falls. So, from there, naglakad kami hanggang dito, pababa, and we have our drone shot over here. Eto na siya. Magda-dive swimming sila eh. Pero
Medyo scam yung 45 minutes. Mga ano lang siya, 5 minutes. Tapos, 0 out of 9 difficulty.
Wow.
Actually, di ba?
Ano naman ako?
Ay, sorry. Baka 1 out of 9 siya. Okay. Sige, tara na tumalon.
Kuya! Doon ka na lang kay Zay!
Bes, ikaw na lang! Ano na lang?
Wala, papadala ako.
Sarap niya!
Ay, diri tayo lakad dyan. Oh, sure naman.
Nag-bounce yun a little
Actually,
bit.
actually.
Okay, sige.
Look at the other tourists. Oh.
1, 2, 3, go! And don't it feel good? And don't it
It was amazing.
Okay.
For me,
Sai,
I can
Sai.
say na it was a Hosier Yell moment. Seeing our ascent falls, it was so amazing. And I realized that, you know, eyes are meant to see things in this world and that there is beauty in every end of the corner. Blue corner!
Potato corner.
Nakita mo ba ito?
Yes. What can you say? Tapos na tayo sa ano natin.
Ako, I feel like kasi hindi talaga, ay, ano ba yun?
Ano, sama-sama.
Yung leaf na yan is me. Kasi shiny na siya.
Ano siya, na siya.
Talaga siya. Like, it's a really life learning lesson that I will look back on every single day of my life and reflect that we are just small in this huge universe, you know?
Grabe.
Yeah.
Miss
Yes,
Tourism.
yes. We shouldn't dwell upon the small problems when we're here in this big earth. I have a question.
Yan na. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Okay, permission to record. What's happening? Okay, can you tell?
Medyo pa main character talaga yung friendship namin eh. Nawala yung phone, chinecheck niya lahat ng bag. Hello?
As you can see, all of our bags is being checked right now.
Ay nako. Nagkakagulo na yung lahat.
cellphone.
Para kay Patricia.
And the cellphone includes credit cards and cash.
Ay ako na lang. Pink din pero ano.